No bake cheesecake. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna share with you the recipe of this delicious no bake cheesecake. And there is no gelatin in this cake. You can see this cheesecake sits perfectly in this biscuit crust, and this is very light, creamy, rich and very easy to make. I love this creamy cheesecake with my sweet and tangy cherry sauce on top. You can make this sauce with fruits of your own choice. Now let me taste it. Voila! It's perfect, so delicious. Let's make this cheesecake.
Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
First, let's prepare cheesecake crust. Here I have 27 digestive cookies or graham cracker. You can make this crust with any biscuit or cookies that you enjoy the most. Add these digestive cookies in the bowl of food processor and pulse it until you have small crumbs. You can smash these biscuits very easily with the rolling pin. Just place these cookies in a Ziploc bag. These cookies are finely crushed here. Now I'm adding 1 cup or 70 gram almond powder. You can skip this powder, no worries. Add half cup or 100 gram packed brown sugar and pinch of salt. Now pulse it again until well combined. Next, transfer this crumbs mixture into a bowl and add 2/3 cup or 169 gram unsalted melted warm butter in the biscuit crumbs and mix it until you get a uniform consistency of these crumbs. Transfer this crust to a 8 inches spring form pan. Now with your hands gently press the crust towards the wall of pan and make a well in the center of crust. Now by using a tall glass, as you can see, press the crust into the spring form and make sure you really press hard so the crust is as compact as possible. And you will get a less crumbly crust that holds together well. Why I have created a wall of crust around the pan so that the filling of cream cheesecake stays firm, intact and in shape. Remove the excessive crushed biscuit from the pan by using a sharp knife and make a perfect nice base, as you can see. Place this crust in the freezer to chill while the filling is made. Let's prepare cheesecake. First, take 1/3 cup or 80 grams of heavy cream and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in it and mix it and set it aside to make sour cream. Next, add 660 grams of room temperature cream cheese in a bowl. Add 1/3 cup or 66 grams of sugar and whip it well until it becomes smooth and creamy. Now add sour cream, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and half cup or 90 ml sweetened condensed milk. Now whip it again until soft peaks and fully incorporated. Take 2/3 cup or 160 ml chilled heavy cream in a bowl and whip it until stiff peaks. You can see it is finely whipped. Now add this whipped cream in the cream cheese mixture and whip it until well combined. Now transfer this cream cheese mixture in a prepared crust base. Smooth the top with spatula and chill this cheesecake overnight in the refrigerator, otherwise it will not set. Let's prepare cherry sauce. Take 3 cups of pitted, canned, frozen or fresh cherries, whatever form is available to you. I have taken canned cherries in a saucepan and add 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1/3 cup of cherries juice. You can replace it with water. Now cook it on a medium flame until thickened, around 5 to 10 minutes. You can check the consistency, it is all thickened. Now turn off the flame and let it cool. Our cheesecake is set. Now pour the cool cherry sauce over the cream cheesecake just before going to serve it. Voila! This snow-baked cheesecake is ready to eat. Enjoy! Do comment under this video if you like it and share with others.